Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fix My Problem. Today we will fix app auto back problem. Let's start. Make sure to subscribe. 1. Identify the issue. Understand the problem with the auto back application. Check for any error or bug messages and take a screenshot if possible to help diagnose the issue better. 2. Update the application. Ensure the auto back application is up to date with the latest version. Sometimes, bugs and errors are fixed in new updates, so this might resolve the problem. 3. Check system requirements. Verify that your device and operating system meet the minimum requirements for the auto back application. If not, upgrade your device or OS. 4. Restart the application. A common fix for software issues is just to restart the problematic application. This clears out any temporary glitches. 5. Clear cache and data. In the device's settings, find the auto back application and clear its cache and data. This may help remove corrupted information and restore normal functionality. 6. Disable conflicting apps. Sometimes, other applications on your device can conflict with auto back. Disable any recently installed apps or apps running in the background and test if the issue persists. 7. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Auto back may require internet access to function properly. 8. Update network drivers. If you're using auto back on a desktop or laptop, make certain your network drivers are up to date. To update them, visit your manufacturer's website. 9. Scan for malware. Malicious software can cause unusual behavior in applications, including auto back. Perform a full system scan using reliable antivirus software. 10. Adjust firewall settings. Firewall settings can block auto back's communication with the server, leading to sudden issues. Try disabling the firewall or test with different settings. 11. Run compatibility mode. If auto back was originally designed for an older OS, try running it in the compatibility mode of your existing OS. 12. Verify user credentials. Ensure you're using the correct username and password for auto back, as incorrect credentials may prevent access to the application. 13. Check server status. Sometimes, auto back servers might be experiencing issues or under maintenance. Check AutoBack's website or forum to confirm server status. 14. Reinstall the application. If faced with persistent issues, reinstall AutoBack from official sources. This helps replace corrupted files and settings.